Today's project is installing the hot water heater in the bus, and this is another one of those cases where we're cutting a hole in the side of a perfectly good bus, and it'll become obvious what's going on in just a few minutes. Here it's marked on the outside where I'm going to cut. I'll just take the grinder and cut a hole in the skin. It's getting dark, so I'm about wrapped up for the day, but I've got it to the test fitment stage, which means that I've cut the hole and I've set the hot water heater in the hole, and I'm just checking clearances and stuff like that before I go on to the next phase. I just want to make sure that I'm not going to catch on any screws or bolts or anything like that, and when it comes time for the final assembly, I won't have any issues. This is how it looks on the inside, and the clearances are pretty good. I'm not quite happy with them yet. There are some screws that mount the outside cover plate to the hot water heater, and they, go up and down and left and right, and they're catching on the hole that I cut in the side of the bus. So I have to widen the hole in the bus, at least where those screws are, just a little tiny bit, like a 1/16 of an inch, because it's not sitting flush with the outside. Inside, what I have to do is I have to take some angle iron and I have to build a bracket under here and under here, and then I'm going to have a support bracket that goes up like that, and then I'm going to have a piece of angle iron up here. We are taking anywhere where this hot water heater touches the wood members, and we're putting in some metal to protect the wood. Todd made a bracket out of angle iron, and we bolted that in, so that is nice and secure. It's not going anywhere. I'm just going to hook up the plumbing. Come on, Bob, come on.